Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Forge of Japan. These are the Japanese honeybees, Nihon Mitsubashi. And I was fortunate enough to find a hive up in one of the trees, so I was filming here. The Japanese bees have different types of defenses, and they're different from the Western honeybees. One thing that they're doing here is that it's called plant smearing. They take the plants, usually the orchids, and they chew it up and they spread the front of the hive with the plant juices, and they smear it to confuse other honeybees and to protect the hive. Then I noticed that there were a bunch of guard bees that were standing around at the front not doing the plant smearing. But the Japanese honeybees have these different defense techniques against their adversary, which is the wasp. And the Japanese yellow jacket. So they do this really strange thing of extending their rear abdomens and flapping their wings really, really quickly, making a loud noise, try to ward off and scare the hornet to keep them away from the hive. There is a relationship between the bees and the wasps that way. It's like an ICU or ISY relationship where they kind of like ward them off. And then the Japanese honeybees also, they do have the swarming defense if the wasp actually gets inside the hive, and they all swarm and then increase the temperature of the wasp, and they kind of cook him. Then the wasp did this really strange thing. You can see he was looking straight at me. Behind me, or it was the forest. So the wasp just like turned. It was kind of scary. He was like calling out to another wasp or his swarm or his gang or buddies. Either maybe spreading a pheromone or a smell or detect in the air, or calling out to them or looking for them for backup. It was unusual behavior. I mean, for me to see the first time. But it was also kind of cool.